My second thing is an experiment on ice and the wind direction and what to expect from the results. I first took glass sticks of different sizes and lengths and stuck them in different places in the lake. First, stacks according to natural conditions and human factors and recorded the process of the experiment, which is interesting. In the evening of the experiment, the temperature dropped to 20 degrees below zero and there was heavy snow. The effect in the picture appeared when I went to the experiment again the next day. However, from the simple results of this experiment, it can be seen that the amount of ice exposed to the sun is relatively small, and the ice area of small-sized stick is also very small. The shape shows that at sufficiently low temperatures, freezing is directly related to wind direction and of course to sunlight, even though the experimental model is made of clear glass. I conducted experiment icing with different materials, and it can be seen that the materials basically have no great impact on icing. I just arrived in London on 5th December. Now I'm in self-isolation. As for my project, I can't carry out the following experiment. I can only assume that uh, we can control the construction of the physical models if conditions permit. Under certain natural conditions, space can be formed at the same time when freezing, but the space formed in this way is uncontrollable, and unexpected effects are likely to occur, which will be very interesting. Of course, such a picture is only an assumption. In the following part of my experimental idea, due to the change of environment, I need to change my thinking. I think the wind can be related to the direction of icing, and it can also be related to other things such as water mist and powder. This kind of experiment doesn't require much natural factors, so it is easier to carry out the experiment. The purpose of the experiment is to control the foundation construction, but no matter which form the space formed and the behavior generated by people in the space is uncontrollable.